welcome to Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel. I'm going to show how to make mushroom noodles spaghetti in today's recipe. I request everyone to please go to the YouTube search bar and type Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel, and then you can see the green color icon over there. Yes, that's exactly my channel, so please click on that. And you can see the subscribe button. Please click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon for getting the regular updates and click on all. Now let's see what all ingredients we require. Please make the note of all the ingredients. We require spaghetti or the noodles. You want a thinly sliced mushrooms, 1 capsicum, thinly cut, and 1 coriander, 1 cup of coriander leaves, finely chopped, and 2 to 3 cubes of butter. Now to start the spaghetti, please take a pan and keep it on the stove. Pour water and allow the water to boil. Please keep it in the high flame so that the water boils very quickly. Let the water boil for 2 to 3 minutes in high flame. You can see how the bubbles are forming in the water. This indicates that the water is boiled. Now you can add the spaghetti which you have. Add how much of a spaghetti you want. Now you all can see the spaghetti has come a little bit outside my pan, but that's okay. As soon as it cooks, it will become soft and you can put it inside. You can see in the next clip. It takes almost 2 to 3 minutes for the spaghetti to become soft. And once it becomes soft, see, you can just push it down, and can you all see that I've pushed almost all of my spaghetti inside that utensil which I've used. Now see, once it softens, you can put everything inside that utensil and allow it to boil for almost 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cook thoroughly. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to that. Why we are adding this oil? It's because that we don't want the spaghettis to get stuck together. So if you add the oil, it will not get stuck. Now it's time to drain the spaghetti from the oil, and therefore please drain the spaghetti. Now keep the drained spaghetti once it's cooked. Keep it aside, keep it in a plate. Now take a pan, heat it, and add 2 to 3 cubes of butter. Now allow the butter to melt. Please use the fresh butter. The taste will be very yum if you use the fresh butter. Now once the butter is melted, you can add 1 tablespoon of oil and then just stir it for 10 to 20 seconds. Now add all the thinly chopped mushrooms into it. The mushrooms are the most important ingredient in today's recipe. You can see I've sliced the mushroom very thinly. Take a mushroom, cut it into half, and then start slicing it thinner. Now just stir the mushroom like this. Just fry it. All the butter should be stuck to the mushrooms. Please fry until then. I've used the button mushrooms here. You can use any other mushrooms you want, such as oyster mushroom or any other mushrooms that you get. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add the salt according to your taste. Now mix all the ingredients and fry it in the pan. Allow the mushrooms to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cook completely. Since the mushroom is boiling with the butter, the taste will come very beautiful. Now add the finely cut capsicum. I've used 1 whole capsicum for that. You can cut the shape of the capsicum however you want. You can even cut it into cubes and add it. It looks very nice. Now you can see all the vegetables are frying. Now you can add the spaghetti which you have kept aside. You can add all the spaghetti and then you can mix it. See, gently mix it. Please mix it in a round shape so that it neatly comes. Don't mix however you want because the spaghetti gets cut in between. See, please mix the way I am showing. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. Add finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. I've used 1 cup of coriander leaves. Add grated mozzarella cheese. Wow, this is looking so yum. Now mix all the ingredients well in the pan. Mix it thoroughly so that all the taste gets soaked into it. This flavors are very delicious when it comes all together. Now you can see, serve it with a bowl and it's ready to eat. Put it in the bowl and serve it along with the sauce. The sauce always makes a very good taste. Use the tomato sauce. I prefer tomato sauce. See how beautiful it is looking. You can eat this as a breakfast or a dinner or a snack or a lunch, anything. It fills your stomach wholesomely. This is super. The taste has come really well. I request everyone to please try it out at home and please let me know how it came out in the comment section. This is Delicious Food Fusion Icon. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon if you liked today's recipe. Now you can see the Delicious Food Fusion YouTube logo over there. Please click on that, visit my channel, subscribe and watch all my videos and see those 2 videos which are displayed on the screen. Thank you.